Hello students, welcome you all back to the problems of accounts of life insurance companies. So previous video I have discussed in detail regarding the provisions of how to make the financial statements of life insurance companies. So hope my viewers already have watched the theory video, got the command regarding the provisions given by IRDA regarding the preparation of financial statements of life insurance companies. Again, it is scheduled based, revenue account and balance sheet. 4 schedules will come in revenue account, that is schedule number 1, premium earned, schedule number 2, commission, schedule number 3, operating expenses, schedule number 4, benefits paid. And we have discussed all the concepts which are used in the preparation of financial statements. So already we have completed the short answer questions, nearly approximately 10 short questions we have done. So if you have watched carefully with full concentration, you got the command. Now we are moving to the main problems of accounts of life insurance companies. Now before starting the problem, I expect my viewers that you are having the hard copy, a printout of all the problems from the link which I have given under description. So before watching the video, go to the link, get a hard copy, get a printout and keep it ready before watching the video. Then only you can understand the complete solution of the problem. Now I am reading out the first main problem. From the following figures, prepare revenue account. Only revenue account we have to prepare in the statutory form of Star Assurance Company Limited for the year ended 31st March 2004. Rupees in thousands. Claims by death, claims by maturity. The claims will be taken in schedule number 4, benefits paid. Premium, this will be taken in schedule number 1, that is premium earned. Consideration for annuities granted, this should be taken under other incomes. Annuities paid, benefits paid, schedule number 4. Expenses of management, this will come under operating expenses, schedule number 3. Commission, schedule number 2. Interest, dividend and rent, this will come under income from investments. So under income from investment we take interest, dividend and rent, but we need gross amount. Here net amount is given and the next item, income tax deducted at source, TDS. So after deducting TDS we got the net interest. So what we have to do, we have to take the gross interest. So according to the provisions of IRDA, the interest, dividend and rent should be taken at its gross figure, not at net figure. When net figure is given, add up the TDS. Income tax thereon should be added. So we are going to add up 12,400. We are going to add up in 1,95,700. Surrenders, this will be taken under schedule number 4, benefits paid. Amount of life insurance fund at the beginning of the year. So this amount of life insurance fund beginning of the year we are not going to take in revenue account. Outstanding death claim in the beginning, outstanding death claim at the end of the year. So death claims paid में outstanding death claim at the end of the year will be added and outstanding death claim at the beginning of the year will be subtracted. Simple words, outstanding at the end add, outstanding in the beginning deduct. So this is the complete problem given. It's very simple. Now see the solution. Revenue account of Star Assurance Company Limited for the year ended 31st March 2004. The format is this one. Schedule number, amount, particulars. First we should take premium earned, schedule number 1. First you make the format, later on in schedules will calculate all the amounts. The premium earned, schedule number 1. Income from investments, interest, dividend and rent, gross amount. So in the problem net amount is given, so we are adding up the interest thereon, adding up the tax thereon, TDS. So net income plus TDS, you will get the gross amount. Then other incomes, we have only one other income, consideration for annuities granted. So 3 items you have to take here. Premium, schedule number 1, income from investments, other incomes. Here 3 का total ले लेंगे, total of A. Then we should take the commission. This will be taken under schedule number 2. Then operating expenses, schedule number 3. Then take the total of 2 and 3. That will denote it as B. So A is the total of all incomes, B is the total of commission and operating expenses. Now benefits paid, this will be taken in schedule number 4. Then only one item, benefits paid, take the total C. Then surplus, this we denote it as D, and D is nothing but A minus B minus C. तो टोटल ऑफ इनकम में से टोटल ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर माइनस करेंगे. एक्सपेंडिचर दो में है, B as well as C. B and C both are expenditure. A is the income. So A minus B minus C will get the surplus. Now we'll see what are the items taken. First, premium earned. In the problem it is given here schedules forming part of financial statements. See here, presentation is more important. You should not do the problem roughly. Everything should be according to the provisions of IRDA. So IRDA has specified that we have to write the schedules forming part of financial statements. So first is schedule number 1, premium earned. Premium 14,12,100 given in the problem. No adjustment, nothing. So directly I have taken 14,12,100 here. Then schedule number 2, commission. Commission is directly given 19,140. I have taken 19,140. Before that you can see interest, dividend and rent. I have taken gross amount. Consideration for annuities granted, whatever is given in the problem, sale I have taken. So total I got it. Now commission 2, 19,140 commission given in the problem. Then operating expenses will take expenses of management, 79,400 given in the problem. So 79,400. Take the total 19,140 plus 79,400, you will get 98,540. Up to B we have completed. Now last, benefits paid, fourth schedule. Now carefully you see here. Benefits paid, schedule number 4, claims by death paid. Two types of claims will be there. Claims by death and claims by maturity. So claims by death will take 1,42,000. To this we add outstanding death claim at the end of the year. So at the end of the year 16,000 given. So I have added up 1,58,000 minus outstanding death claim at the beginning of the year given in the problem 22,000. Subtract. Then claims by maturity, no adjustment are there. Directly we have taken claims by maturity paid 70,200. The total of the claims are 2,06,200. Total claims. To this we add annuities paid and surrenders paid. The total of schedule number 4 comes to 3,39,400. I have taken 3,39,400 here. That's all. All the schedules completed. We got the values of A, B and C. Simply you subtract A, 17,84,200 minus 98,540 minus 3,39,400. You are going to get 13,46,260. This is called surplus. That's it. This is the end of first problem, preparation of revenue account. Now we'll come to the second problem. See the second. Prepare revenue account of Pravek Life Assurance Company Limited for the year ended 31st March 2004 from the following particulars. So again we are required to make only revenue account just like the previous problem. Format will remain same, but one or two new points. Now, claims by death, claims by maturity. Both the claims will come under schedule number 4, benefits paid. Premiums. Here premiums are given differently. First premium, renewal premium and single premium. So we take the total of all these types of premiums. The total of the premium will be taken under premium earned, first schedule. Then we are given transfer fees. This is the new point. Transfer fees is an other income. It will be taken under other income. Previous problem, other income was only one, consideration for annuities granted. But here we will take two, consideration for annuities granted and transfer fees. Then consideration for annuities granted, other income. Annuities paid, this will be taken in fourth schedule, benefits paid. Expenses of management, operating expenses, schedule 3. Commission paid, schedule 2. Interest, dividend and rent, gross. Then income tax on above. Now see here. Interest, dividend and rent, gross is given. When gross is given, no need to grossing up. Directly we'll take the gross amount. Previous problem, net amount was given. That's why we have added the income tax. अगर net amount दिया तो income tax को add करेंगे. Gross amount दिया तो add नहीं करेंगे. This interest, dividend and rent, gross directly will take. Income tax on above, don't take into consideration. This will go to balance sheet, tedious. In balance sheet we have to take, but right now we are not making balance sheet, so ignore this item. Surrenders, schedule number 4, benefits paid. Life assurance fund at the beginning of the year. This is only an information we don't require while making revenue account. That's all. This is the end of the problem. Now see the solution. Pravek Company Limited, revenue account for the year ended 31st March. Exactly same format I am going to make. First, premium earned, schedule number 1. Then income from investment, interest, dividend and rent gross. Then other income, consideration for annuities granted, transfer fees. This is the total of A. Total of incomes. Now commission, schedule number 2. Operating expense, schedule number 3. Total of 2 and 3 schedule, total of B. Then we'll take benefits paid, schedule number 4. Then the total of 4, C. Same. Then surplus D is equal to A minus B minus C. This is the format. So remember the format. You should not shuffle the items. If you shuffle the items, you will not get the marks in examination. Because this is the format specifically we have to follow given by IRDA. Now, schedules forming part of financial statements. First schedule is premium earned. In this premium earned, first premium, renewal premium, single premium. These 3 premiums are given, add up the total. We have taken the total 14,11,380. तीनों प्रीमियम्स को ऐड कर दिया, प्रॉब्लम में जो दिया है, तो टोटल 14,11,380 फर्स्ट ओवर. देन इंटरेस्ट, डिविडेंड एंड रेंट ग्रॉस, जैसा प्रॉब्लम में दिया सेम आई हैव टेकन, आई हैव नॉट एडजस्टेड. Then consideration for annuities granted, exactly same amount I have taken what is given in the problem. Transfer fees same 258. I got the total 1771,572. Now schedule number 2, commission paid. Given in the problem, commission paid 25,940 I have taken. Operating expenses, expense of management 74,840, same thing I have taken. The total of second schedule and third schedule 1,07,80. So A completed, B completed. Now C, benefits paid, schedule number 4. In this benefits paid, we are going to take claims by death, claims by maturity, annuities paid and surrenders paid. The total comes to 3,45,702. In this problem, we don't have any outstanding claims. Previous problem we were having, but now we don't have. So take the total 3,45,702. Now surplus. D is equal to A minus B minus C. So A 17,71,572 minus 1,07,80 minus 345,702. You are going to get 13,25,090. That's all. This is the end of problem number 2. Come on students, now we'll start the next problem of accounts of life insurance companies. Main problems we were doing, and first 2 problems we have completed. Now we'll see the third problem. From the following figures of Sound Insurance Company Limited, prepare the revenue account for the year ended 31st March 2004. Rupees in thousands are given. Premium received, this will be taken under first schedule. Interest, dividend and rent, income from investment, fines and fees, this is the new point, other income. Income tax, this income tax will be taken below operating expenses. Under the operating, below the operating expenses, we'll take commission and operating expenses. Below that operating expenses, we'll take the income tax. Management expenses, schedule number 4, that is operating expenses. Annuities paid, schedule 4. Management expenses will come in schedule number 3. And annuities paid, schedule number 4, benefits paid. Commission, schedule number 2. Surrender, schedule number 4, benefits paid. Surplus on revaluation of reversions, this is the new point. Surplus means the profit. Surplus on revaluation of reversions, this will be taken under income from investment. Reassurances irrecoverable, this will come below operating expenses. Schedule number 3. Schedule number 3 के नीचे लेंगे reassurances irrecoverable. Claims paid under reinsurances. Claims paid less reinsurances. That will come under schedule number 4, benefits paid. Consideration for annuities granted, other income. Interim bonus paid. This interim bonus paid will be taken below benefits paid. Benefits paid के नीचे लेंगे interim bonus paid. Net liability on all contracts in force. Net liability, this is new point given. So in this problem, some 3-4 new points are given. So remember those new points. Here net liability as on 31st March 2003 and 31st March 2004. Beginning of the year, end of the year, what is the net liability given? So here, how much is the increase or change in the net liability? We'll see. So beginning of the year it was 24 lakh and end of the year it is 26 lakh 50,000. That means 2 lakh 50,000 rupees is the increase in the net liability. This 2 lakh 50,000 will be taken below benefits paid, schedule number 4. Then life assurance fund at the beginning of the year, we don't require it. The company decides to transfer 10% surplus to shareholders account. So 10% of the surplus, the company wants to make the appropriations. 10% transfer to shareholders account, 10% to catastrophe reserve. Catastrophe reserve means a reserve created to meet the very disastrous situation. Just like there's a crash in the stock market or some natural calamity occurs. For meeting those extreme situations, a reserve will be created called catastrophe reserve. So simply whatever surplus we get, of that surplus 10% we are transferring to shareholders account and 10% to catastrophe reserve, and the balance carried over to balance sheet. That's all. This is the problem. So in this problem some 3-4 new points are coming. So how to represent that? I'll show it in the solution. Sound Insurance Company Limited revenue account for the year ended 31st March 2004. Premium earned 15 lakh 80,000 given in the problem. So here you can see schedules forming part of balance sheet. Financial statements. Schedule forming part of financial statements. Financial statements. Now schedule number 1. The schedule number 1 is premium earned. The premium received 15 lakh 80,000, no adjustment, nothing. Interest, dividend and rent. Gross amount is given in the problem. Same amount we have taken. Surplus on revaluation of reversions. Revaluation of reversions के ऊपर जो surplus आएगा, that will be treated as income from investment. So 5,000. Directly we have to show it. Other incomes में consideration for annuities granted as usual. Fines and fees as usual. No change. So we have taken the total of the income 25 lakh 93,000. Now commission, second schedule. So second schedule commission you can see 65,000. Operating expenses, schedule number 3, that is management expenses. Management expenses 2 lakh 25,000. Now the new point in this problem is reassurances irrecoverable. That's a loss. Reassurances irrecoverable. यानी जो reinsurance करे वहां से premium नहीं आया, irrecoverable, just like bad debts. So irrecoverable 2,000. Income tax paid, that will be taken here 1 lakh 25,000. The total of B is 4 lakh 17,000. Now benefits paid, schedule number 4. In schedule number 4, benefits paid, we'll take claims paid less reinsurances 9 lakh 20,000, annuities paid 20,000, surrender paid 60,000. The total of benefits paid are 10 lakh. This 10 lakh rupees benefit paid I have taken here. Now interim bonus paid, this is the new point. So interim bonus paid will be shown below benefits paid. So 1 lakh 20,000. Now change in the net liability. Previous problem this item was not given. Net liability was given at the beginning of the year and net liability are given at the end of the year. Now what is the increase in net liability we have to see. The beginning of the year net liability was 26 lakh 50,000. End of the year it is 26 lakh 50,000. Beginning of the year it is 24 lakh. The change in the net liability is 2 lakh 50,000. Take it in the outer column. Now take the total of C. C का total 13 lakh 70,000. Now surplus D is equal to A minus B minus C. A is how much? 25 lakh 93,000 minus 4 lakh 17,000 minus 13 lakh 70,000. You'll get 8 lakh 6,000 as the surplus. Now the new point given in the problem is appropriations. So how much? 10% it is asking you to transfer to shareholders account. To transfer to shareholders account 10% of 8 lakh 6,000, 80,600. It is asking you to transfer 10% to catastrophe reserve. So 10% of 8 lakh 6,000, 80,600. Now next, balance carried over to balance sheet. So out of 8 lakh 6,000 minus 80,600 minus 80,600, you get 6 lakh 44,800. This is the balance transferred to balance sheet. That's all. This is the end of problem number 3. The only thing you have to remember the new points which are given. just like surplus on revaluation of reversions. It will come under income from investment. Secondly, this reassurances, irrecoverable and income tax. Both these will be taken below operating expenses. Last one, interim bonus paid and change in the net liability. That will be taken below benefits paid. Right? And some appropriations are given. How much transfer to reserves? That's it. This is the end of problem number 3. Come on, students. Now we'll start the next problem, that is problem number 4. Come on, see the problem number 4. Following balances are extracted from the books of Bharat Life Insurance Company Limited as on 31st March 2003. So we are given the information and we have to prepare the revenue account. Premium 1,80,000. Schedule number 1. Reinsurance means reinsurance premium. So reinsurance premium will be subtracted from premium. An original insurer will collect the premium and repay this premium to the other insurer. क्योंकि reinsurance का मतलब insurance between one company with another company. ABC company enters into a reinsurance contract with XYZ company. तो पहले ABC कंपनी प्रीमियम रिसीव करेगा पॉलिसी होल्डर के पास से, वो प्रीमियम XYZ कंपनी को दे देगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड री इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम. तो ये इनकम ABC का नहीं है, ये इनकम XYZ कंपनी का है. ABC कंपनी इज रिसीविंग द प्रीमियम एंड पेइंग इट टू अदर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. तो री इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम विल बी सबट्रैक्टेड, डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम प्रीमियम. बोनस इन कैश. दिस बोनस इन कैश विल बी टेकन बिलो बेनिफिट्स पेड. बेनिफिट्स पेड शेड्यूल नंबर 4 लिखेंगे. ये बेनिफिट्स पेड के नीचे लेंगे बोनस इन कैश. नेक्स्ट आइटम, एन्युइटीज डेबिट. एन्युइटीज यू मे गेट डेबिट, एन्युइटीज यू मे गेट क्रेडिट. क्रेडिट एन्युइटी का मतलब कंसिडरेशन फॉर एन्युइटीज ग्रांटेड. व्हेन इट इज गिवन एन्युइटीज क्रेडिट, इट मींस इट्स एन इनकम. ऑल इनकम्स आर क्रेडिटेड, ऑल एक्सपेंसेस आर डेबिटेड. तो अगर एन्युइटीज डेबिट दिया है तो उसका मतलब एक्सपेंडिचर है. एन्युइटीज पेड एंड दैट एन्युइटीज पेड विल बी टेकन इन शेड्यूल नंबर 4. और एन्युइटीज के साथ सीआर अगर देगा तो वो एन्युइटी इनकम है. इनकम क्या होता? कंसिडरेशन फॉर एन्युइटीज ग्रांटेड. राइट, दिस इज द न्यू पॉइंट. देन मेडिकल फी. दिस मेडिकल फी विल बी टेकन अंडर ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस. देन सरेंडर शेड्यूल नंबर 4, बेनिफिट्स पेड. इंटरेस्ट, डिविडेंड एटसेट्रा, income from investment. Claims by death, claims by maturity, both will be taken under schedule number 4, benefits paid. Commission, schedule number 2. Income tax. This income tax will be taken below operating expenses. Operating expenses के नीचे लेंगे provision for tax or income tax, just like the previous problem. Managerial expenses, operating expenses, schedule number 3. Annuities CR, just now I told you, एन्युइटी CR का मतलब ये एन्युइटी इनकम है. इनकम क्या है? कंसिडरेशन फॉर एन्युइटीज ग्रांटेड, दैट इज एन्युइटी CR. फाइन्स फॉर रिवाइवल ऑफ पॉलिसी, दिस इज एन इनकम. पॉलिसीज को रिवाइव करने के लिए कुछ फाइन्स कलेक्ट करती है इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. एक पॉलिसी होल्डर का पॉलिसी एक्सपायर हो गया ड्यू टू नॉन पेमेंट ऑफ दिस प्रीमियम, देन द पॉलिसी विल बी रिवाइव्ड आफ्टर चार्जिंग सम फाइन ऑन द policy holder. So these fines collected will be an income, other income. Right? Next, we have taken all the values of trial balance are over. Now in this problem some adjustments are given. Carefully you see that. Prepare revenue account for the year 2002-2003 after considering the following. Some 6 adjustments are given. So carefully listen this 6 adjustment. First one, life assurance fund as on 1st April 2002, beginning of the year. We are not concerned with life assurance fund at the beginning of the year. This will be considered when we are required to make balance sheet. जब बैलेंस शीट बनाने का होता तो ये लाइफ इंश्योरेंस फंड की जरूरत पड़ती. But right now we are not preparing balance sheet, we are preparing only revenue account. So ignore this life assurance fund at the beginning of the year. Second, net interest accrued on investment. Net interest accrued on investment. So interest and dividends are given 40,000. Interest and dividend are given 40,000. Here I will write down 40,000 interest and dividend given. Apart from that, in adjustment it is given some interest is accrued. Interest accrued on investment 5,390. 5,390. तो 40,000 plus 5,390, 45,390 is the total interest dividend and rent. So interest accrued means it will be added to interest. Next, outstanding claims and premium. See, outstanding claim at the end of the year will be added. Already in short problems we have seen. करंट ईयर के जो आउटस्टैंडिंग क्लेम रहेगा वो क्लेम्स में ऐड कर देंगे, और करंट ईयर का जो आउटस्टैंडिंग प्रीमियम रहेगा वो प्रीमियम में ऐड कर देंगे. तो आउटस्टैंडिंग प्रीमियम विल बी एडेड टू प्रीमियम, आउटस्टैंडिंग क्लेम्स विल बी एडेड टू क्लेम्स. सी, these are the premiums. In premium we have added outstanding premium at the end of the year 15,500. In claims you can see here claims paid by death, claims paid by maturity, outstanding claim at the end of the year will be added. तो claim का जो है outstanding claim को claim में ऐड करेंगे, outstanding premium को premium में ऐड करेंगे. एक एडजस्टमेंट हो गया. नेक्स्ट सेंस में reinsurance settlement. Reinsurance settlement due on account of claims and premium means reinsurance claim and reinsurance premium. देखिए, reinsurance claim will be deducted from claims, reinsurance premium will be deducted from premium. अब ओरिजिनल इंश्योरर क्या करता, क्लेम पे करता, लेकिन बाद में ये क्लेम दूसरे के पास से रिकवर कर लेगा. उसी तरह इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम कलेक्ट करता, फिर बाद में दूसरों को दे देता. नाउ a claim of rupees 1,000 included in outstanding claim is to be written off as it is 10 years old and is not likely to arise. एक आउटस्टैंडिंग क्लेम था 1,000 रुपीज का, जो आउटस्टैंडिंग क्लेम चलता आ रहा है 10 साल से. नाउ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी बिलीव्स दैट दिस क्लेम विल नॉट बी मेटीरियलाइज्ड. अब ये आउटस्टैंडिंग क्लेम मेटीरियलाइज नहीं होगा. ये पॉलिसी होल्डर अगर आया भी तो पैसे नहीं देंगे, क्योंकि 10 इयर्स से उसको आउटस्टैंडिंग क्लेम चलता आ रहा है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन लिमिटेशन एक्ट the debt will become time barred if it is not recovered within a specific period. अगर स्पेसिफिक पीरियड के अंदर अपने डेट को रिकवर नहीं करे तो वो टाइम बार्ड हो जाता, बाद में रिकवर नहीं कर सकते. तो यहां पर भी आउटस्टैंडिंग क्लेम्स, दिस आउटस्टैंडिंग क्लेम वाज कमिंग सिंस लास्ट 10 years. नाउ द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी बिलीव्स दैट दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू मटेरियलाइज, विल राइट ऑफ. तो कंपनी के लिए फायदा होगा. एक लायबिलिटी है 1,000 रुपीज पे करने की, लेकिन वो आदमी आके लेके नहीं जा रहा है, तो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी बोल रही अब 1,000 नहीं देंगे. तो दिस विल बी एडेड, दिस विल बी डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम आउटस्टैंडिंग क्लेम्स. देन द एमडी, द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, is to be paid a commission of 5% on the net increase of life fund during the year before providing for such commission. Managing director is to be paid commission at the rate of 5% on net increase in life assurance fund during the year before providing for such commission. कमीशन देने से पहले जितना भी सरप्लस निकलेगा, जितना भी सरप्लस आएगा, वो सरप्लस के ऊपर 5% एमडी का कमीशन देंगे. दैट आई शो इट इन वर्किंग नोट. कम ऑन, विल स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन नाउ. भारत लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड रेवेन्यू अकाउंट फॉर द ईयर एंडेड 31st March 2003. प्रीमियम अर्न्ड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी डिसाइड हाउ मच इज द प्रीमियम इनकम. तो शेड्यूल्स फॉर्मिंग पार्ट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट. शेड्यूल नंबर 1, प्रीमियम अर्न्ड. Premium received 1,80,000 given in the first point. Trial balance items, first point premium received. So premium received 1,80,000. Add outstanding premium at the end. In additional information, in adjustments, it is given that premium is outstanding at the end of the year 15,500. So add kar do outstanding. Less reinsurance premium. Just now I told you reinsurance premium will be subtracted. अब री इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम कुछ ट्रायल बैलेंस में भी दिया और कुछ एडजस्टमेंट में भी दिया. तो इन ट्रायल बैलेंस री इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम इज 4,150. सेकेंड आइटम इज गिवन इन द प्रॉब्लम. इन द ट्रायल बैलेंस इन द प्रॉब्लम सेकेंड आइटम इज गिवन री इंश्योरेंस. दैट री इंश्योरेंस में 4,150. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इन एडजस्टमेंट इट इज गिवन री इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम इज 8,000. तो दोनों मिलाकर री इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम हो गया 12,150. So 12,150 will be subtracted minus. So total is 1,83,350. This is 1,83,350. Now income from investment, interest, dividend and rent gross. So in the trial balance it is given 40,000. Interest and dividend is 40,000 in the trial balance. Adjustment it is given interest accrued. that interest accrued will be added to interest. It's current year's income only. So 5,390 total is 45,390. Consideration for annuity is granted. This is annuity CR. Credit balance of annuities, that is consideration for annuities granted. Fines for revival of policies, 30 rupees. So total of the incomes are 2,31,770. Up to this point, it's everything clear. Now commission, second schedule. So schedule number 2, commission paid 37,300 directly given in the problem, no adjustment, nothing. So directly 37,300 we have taken. Operating expenses, here it is critical. Operating expenses में क्या क्या आएंगे देखिए. Managerial expenses 42,000 given in the problem. Medical fees 3,010 given in the problem. MD's commission, managing director's commission, that will also come under operating expenses, but we have to calculate how much is the MD's commission in working note. So right now you have to write on MD's commission in bracket working note and don't take this amount. ये amount अभी नहीं आता 1,820. ये 1,820 last में working note में calculate करेंगे. For the time being, keep it blank and don't take the total here. After working note calculations, we'll get 1,820. Then we'll take the total 46,830. So 46,830 is the operating expense. Then provision for taxation given in the problem, income tax 1,700. Take the total 85,830. Benefits paid. Benefits paid are claims, annuities, surrenders. ये सब चीजें benefits paid में आएगा. Fourth schedule 1,10,160. Now you can see here. Benefits paid. Claims by death, claims by maturity. Add up both the claims. To this we add outstanding claim at the end of the year. At the end of the year there is outstanding claims that will be added given in the adjustment. Adjustment में जैसा outstanding premium को add करे थे, उसी तरह outstanding claim at the end will be added. Minus claims covered under reinsurance. जो प्रीमियम कवर्ड अंडर इंश्योरेंस को माइनस कर दे, माइनस री इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम, उसी तरह क्लेम्स कवर्ड अंडर इंश्योरेंस इसको भी माइनस कर देंगे, सबट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. देन आउटस्टैंडिंग क्लेम नेगेटिव. एक आउटस्टैंडिंग क्लेम था 1,000 रुपये का, वो अब देने की जरूरत नहीं है तो माइनस कर देंगे. क्लेम्स में से निकाल दो. क्लेम्स में से निकाल दिया तो क्लेम्स कम हो जाएगा, एक्सपेंडिचर कम हो जाएगा, प्रॉफिट बढ़ेगा. तो आउटस्टैंडिंग क्लेम नेगेटिव 1,000. So 99,750 is the expenditure or account of claims. Now annuities paid 3,910 given in the problem, no adjustment. Surrenders paid 6,500 given in the problem. The total come to 1,10,160. I have taken 1,10,160 as benefits paid. Bonus in cash given in the problem, no adjustment. Directly will take bonus in cash. Total 1,11,360. Right? Up now surplus is A minus B minus C. So 231,770 minus 85,830 minus 1,11,360. So surplus is 34,580. That's all. This is the surplus. The only thing is we don't know how much is the MD's commission. That we have to calculate in working note. Here in working note I have calculated. See carefully. MD's commission payable. Commission is 5% of net increase in life assurance fund during the year. That is 5% of surplus before commission. Actually जो surplus calculate करते हैं, this surplus will be added to life assurance fund. Example, beginning of the year अगर life assurance fund 1 lakh है, तो during the year surplus earn करें 34,580. तो 1 lakh rupees life assurance fund beginning of the year है, उसमें add कर देंगे 34,580. तो end of the year life assurance fund कितना हो गया? 1,34,580. तो life assurance fund बढ़ गया कितना है? 1 lakh पहले था, अब 1,34,580 हो गया. तो इंक्रीज इन लाइफ एश्योरेंस फंड इज 34,580. व्हाट इज दिस 34,580? सरप्लस. 34,580 क्या चीज है? सरप्लस है. तो इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से द कमीशन पेएबल टू एमडी इज 5% ऑफ सरप्लस अर्न्ड ड्यूरिंग द ईयर बिफोर प्रोवाइडिंग कमीशन. कमीशन देने से पहले जितना भी सरप्लस आएगा उसका 5% कमीशन. तो अब देखेंगे premium and other incomes 2,31,770. Already we have calculated all the incomes. Premium and other incomes are 2,31,770. This is the income. अब minus all expenditure except MD commission. MD commission को छोड़कर सारे expenditure ले लेंगे. वो expenditure B और C में रहेंगे. Expenditure will be under B and C. अब देखिए ये बी और सी में पूरे एक्सपेंडिचर, तो पहले कमीशन कितना है 37,300 और ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस में खाली ये एमडी कमीशन नहीं लेना, ये दोनों को भी लेना। तो कमीशन हाउ मच 37, ये कमीशन अलग है, एमडी का कमीशन अलग है। ये जो कमीशन दे रहे हैं ये एजेंट्स को दे रहे हैं और ये जो कमीशन दे रहे हैं ये एमडी मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर को दे रहे हैं। तो ये कमीशन कितना पे करे 37,300, तो ये 37,300 मैं ले लिया यहां पर। उसके बाद मैनेजमेंट एक्सपेंसेस कितना है 42,000, आई हैव टेकन 42,000। देन मेडिकल फीस 3,010, आई हैव टेकन 3,010, दैट्स ऑल। नेक्स्ट आइटम provision for taxation 1,700, I have taken 1,700 provision for taxation. Then 1,10,160, 1,10,160 is the benefits paid, I have taken 1 lakh. 1,200 bonus in cash, bonus in cash. तो पूरे आइटम्स ले लिया, सिर्फ एक ही आइटम नहीं लिया कमीशन टू एमडी, वो एक ही आना है। Now total of expenditure comes to 1,95,370. Now income is 2,31,770 minus expenditure is 1,95,370 minus कर दो 36,400 is the surplus before providing for MD's commission. MD को कमीशन देने से पहले सरप्लस 36,400 आ गया। अब ये 36,400 के ऊपर 5%, तो 5% of 36,400 1,820, तो 1,820 is the commission due to managing director. Here MD's commission 1,820. So after taking this 1,820, take the total, it comes to 46,830. Take 46,830 here. That's it. So this is the end of problem number 4. Totally 4 long problems, main problems we have completed on accounts of life insurance companies.